Hello, my Whirlpool front-load washer W10007190 shows error code E1F3. How do I know to replace pressure switch or air sum? Also, I am unable to open the washer even after I unplug.
What happened just before your Whirlpool washer displayed this message?
It was draining.
How long has this been going on with your Whirlpool washer? What have you tried so far?
First time error code appeared. I've tried to unplug, wait 1 minute and plug back. Nothing else.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, I would be happy to help you. Do you have the model number?
Hello, my Whirlpool washer W10007190 shows error code E1F3.
That isn't the model number. The model number will be on a white sticker on the inside of the door opening.
I can't open the washer, door is locked.
Is the dryer on top of the washer?
No. I've unplugged for 30 seconds to see it will release lock, doesn't work.
Okay, thanks. Remove the screws holding the top panel on. Then slide it back and off. Then copy and paste this link, it will show you how to unlock it. https://u2.b/slack/size OK.
Okay.
Okay, thanks. Keep me posted, please. Are you still there?
Yep. Getting top off. Sorry, it took me a while, had to take shelf off.
Okay, thanks. Keep me posted, please.
Opened.
Okay, thanks. Can you give me the model number?
Customer attachment August 6, 2020 11:39 and 23 seconds AM.
Okay, thanks. Remove the pressure hose from the dome and make sure it is clean.
Okay. I have the video for that. May take me a few, right space. Tight.
Okay, thanks. Keep me posted, please.
Took it off, washed it out. Had some luck in it.
Okay, thanks. Now try to start a cycle.
Running. We'll let you know if there are any issues.
That's great. If it goes through the cycle, it should be fine. If not, the pressure switch is faulty, unfortunately, and will need to be replaced. You will need to order and replace this part number WPW10448876. I'm sorry for your trouble. If you need any more information or help, let me know. My username is Hope you have a great day. Please don't forget to rate me. Please give me a good rating.
Liked him, sorry for your trouble. If you need any more information or help, let me know. My username is Hope you have a great day. Please don't forget to rate me.
Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.